This is my Chinese chicken with onions recipe, with tasty boneless chicken thighs and a savory onion sauce. Now this dish is great over rice or even your favorite ramen noodles, but I like this with something else. You see what it is at the end of this video. Hey everyone, my name is Wally, and I'll teach you how to make this. I've got 5 pieces of chicken thighs deboned. Add 2 tablespoons soy sauce, 2 tablespoons oyster sauce, and 1 tablespoon Chinese cooking wine. Half a teaspoon of ground white pepper. Mix well, then add 2 tablespoons of cornstarch. Mix again, then finally add 1 tablespoon of oil. The oil always goes in last for these Chinese marinades. After one final mix, refrigerate for 30 minutes. But overnight is best for maximum flavors. Get a medium mixing bowl for the sauce. There's 1 cup of water, 1 tablespoon soy sauce, 4 tablespoons of tomato ketchup, 1 tablespoon sugar, and 1 tablespoon of white vinegar. Mix well and set aside. Last, combine 1 tablespoon of cornstarch with 2 tablespoons of water. In cooking terms, this is called a slurry. It will help thicken up the sauce. Get a large onion. In this case, I could only find 3 small ones, and it will be cooked in 2 ways. Cut half of the onions into thin strips. These onions will flavor the sauce. Cut the other half onions into larger chunks. We're going to cook this another way. There are layers of flavors to this recipe. Mince up 4 to 5 cloves of garlic. These will be cooked with a second batch of onions. Heat your pan on medium-high heat. When it smokes, add 3 tablespoons of cooking oil. Drop the chicken skin side down first, then leave it alone. Don't move it around for around 3 to 4 minutes. My pan can only fit 3 chicken thighs comfortably, so I'm going to cook the other 2 separately. Never ever overcrowd your pan or else you're just going to steam your food. But you can check underneath to see if it is burning or cooking too fast. Flip and cook the other side for another 3 to 4 minutes. You should see a beautiful crust forming from the skin. Now I am cooking in a commercial kitchen setup, so my chicken will cook fast. The outside of the chicken should have a slightly crispy texture. For you folks at your home kitchen, you might need to cook a little longer on each side, but use your best judgment. You'll want to take a bite now, but put the plate down, let it rest. We're going to make the onion sauce now. On the same pan with the same oil, heat the pan on medium heat. Add the thin onions and cook until it shrinks down to half its original size. Should take about 3 minutes. Mix the sauce and add it to the onions, stirring often. Drop the heat to a low medium, cover and let cook for a minute. The sauce looks ready to go, but we're going to make it even better. Mix the cornstarch and the water really well until no lumps. And while the sauce is boiling, add the slurry 1 tablespoon at a time. Stir around for 20 seconds and you'll see the sauce thicken into a thick jam-like texture. Then remove and set aside. On a clean pan, when it gets hot, add 2 tablespoons of cooking oil. And we're going to cook these onions on a medium-high heat. Cook for a few minutes. Then add 2 tablespoons of Chinese rice wine. This is different than Chinese cooking wine. The rice wine has a deeper, more intense flavor, and it is excellent with onions. Stir around for a minute, then add minced garlic. About another minute, the onion should look clear and reduced in size. Now add the onion sauce on top. And finally, top it off with the cooked chicken thighs. Now I mentioned that this chicken and onions is excellent on top of rice or noodles, but I personally enjoy it with a nice crusty loaf of bread. Yeah, I'm not kidding. This makes an amazing sandwich. Trust me, try it this way at least once. Come on, you're kidding me. But remember, I do make deliveries. I I take Bitcoins and Camels as payment. See you in the next one.